I'm really loving how my knowledge and confidence is growing along with the plants. And so it's like when we first got here, there was nothing in the field, and Colin and Amy were telling us what to do and really sending us out. And now 3.5 months in, now that everything's in the ground and we're really getting into all the different diverse jobs, it's like all of us are so much more confident and self-directed.
People come from all over the world and all over the UK and Europe to learn how to grow food. And one of the things that's really unique about what we do here is that we're sowing the seeds, preparing the ground, planting the crops, tending to them, harvesting them. We take them to the kitchen, and then we also actually even get involved with the cooking, and then the whole college comes together and eats the food together. So as well as learning all about different techniques of growing food, we're actually doing it for real.
I'm Amy, and I'm a grower and teacher on the horticulture course here at Schumacher College. We're currently standing in the craft and cut flower garden, which is one of my favourite parts of the gardens. And it's here where we teach students how to grow organic flowers and also vegetables and fruits, and also basketry willow and things that you can craft with. And yeah, it's one of my favourite parts of the garden because I think flowers are good for the soul.
And one of the things I love about growing here, as well as mimicking ways and techniques of growing vegetables in a commercial way, we also get the chance to experiment and try things new. So this year we're growing our drying beans up these poles and our squash along the ground, and just watching how they work together. And that's one of the things that's quite special about being at the college, is we get to try things a little bit different and push those boundaries forward just to see what we can find. And if it doesn't work, that doesn't matter, but we've given it a go. I'd really like to encourage people to come here and really experience food growing from the ground up. We have a range of ways that we learn here, but the main focus of their time is spent here in the gardens with us, learning how to grow the food. And all together, over the 6 months, they get a really good grounding in food growing and an understanding of the importance and how that fits into the wider food economy.